not everyone with dark knuckles is bleaching their skin, like for real. Not everyone with dark knuckles is bleaching their skin, don't get me wrong. There are some people that bleach their skin and they have dark knuckles. Some people have dark knuckles due to health issue. Some knuckles are hereditary, something you can inherit from your great grandmother, any of your family members. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Today we're talking about how to clear dark knuckles with your body lotion and body scrub. If you're to subscribe, click that subscribe button, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's dive right into today's video. You guys, if your knuckles is like mine, you can see my knuckles are not dark, but I have a brown knuckles. If your knuckles are like this, just let your hand breathe. Don't want your skin in the process. Stop looking for knuckle peel, knuckle clear, knuckle whatever. Even white people do have knuckles. So why are you more concerned about your knuckle if your knuckle is this brown? Just let it be. You are not white. Even white people do have knuckles. Just leave your hand. It is only when your knuckles is really dark and it is very, very obvious, that's when you know that you need to start using something to clear your knuckle. And I'm here to just, I don't want you to waste money and start looking for knuckle clear, knuckle peel, knuckle whatever. So we'll be talking about how to clear dark knuckles with just body lotion and body scrub. Let's get right to today's video. First of all, if your knuckles is really, really dark, like this one right here, you need to stop whatever products you are using, because that product is not doing you any good. That product is causing you a lot of harm that you don't even know. It is not only giving you dark knuckles, it is also damaging your skin barrier. So you need to stop that product that you are using that is giving you dark knuckles ASAP. You need to stop that knuckles, okay? And get a product that is safe for your skin type and for your skin tone. You guys, use a mild and safe product. If you are dark skin, maintain your dark skin. Even light skin is expensive, because if you did not use product, or you are going through anything, or you change environment, you have rashes and all that, people will know that, okay, oh, this guy is broke or something is going on with this girl. But black skin, their skin is very rugged. You won't even notice if they are going through any stuff. So stop that product that you are using at that time and get a product that is safe for the skin. Okay, you can even start using shea butter. Yes, shea butter. I know you are going to get darker, but it is safer. Okay, you can start using coconut oil or shea butter at that time. Use it for like a month or two, and after that you can start using a product that has a vitamin C in it, because you know vitamin C helps in brightening up the skin, right? Stop that product that you're using that is causing you dark knuckles. You guys, stop that product. If your knuckles is like this, I repeat, just let your hand wait. Is my hand not killed like this? I have brown knuckles, my knuckles are not dark, so let your hand breathe. Okay, after you stop that bleaching product that you are using, you guys, if you are using Caro White, you are bleaching your skin. I said what I said. If you are using Caro Tone, you are bleaching your skin. If you are using White and Clear, you are bleaching your skin, and a lot more of that. You are bleaching your skin. If you don't know now, you know those are bleaching products. You need to stop using it ASAP. You can start using Nivea or Hall, or we have different products, both US based, Korean based. Even there are a lot of safe product that is made in Nigeria. Okay, let's start using a product of our own. Okay, stop that product that is causing dark knuckles and start using a safe, mild product that is suitable for your skin type and for your skin tone. When you stop it, this is where the work starts. Yeah, you need to get a scrub that is mild and safe for your skin. You know, I keep mentioning mild and safe. You need to get a body scrub. You can even make a body scrub at home. I think I'm going to make a video on how to make a body scrub at home now or later. You can mix sugar and all other active like coconut oil in your scrub and use it to scrub your skin. It is going to do the work, but you can just save your time and save the stress and just get a body scrub at anywhere. Just get a body scrub, use it to scrub your knuckle part, but you have to be patient and calm down, because it is going to take some times. You have been using this product for a very long time now. Don't expect miracle to happen within a day. It is going to take a time, but it is going to work. Scrub your knuckle parts morning and night, 3 times a week. Yes, morning and night. Scrub your knuckle parts morning and night, and after that you apply your body lotion. You guys, you don't need to use knuckle clear on or any other thing on your knuckle. That's my own personal preference. Like, if your knuckles is dark, you need to use the same body lotion that you're using for your body. Use it on your hand. It depends on how you like apply your body lotion that might cause dark knuckles. A lot of you will just be rubbing your body cream anyhow, and it will not get to your knuckle, and that place will just not feel love, not even feel any presence of body lotion. That's why one part is darker than the rest. After you use your body lotion, you focus on your knuckle part. Scrub your knuckle very, very well. After that, you use your body lotion, the new body lotion that you just got, because I asked you to stop the product that you are using that is causing dark knuckles, because it is damaging your skin barrier, not only giving you knuckles. It is not good for your skin tone at all. So stop it and use the new product. It might be Nivea or all other products of your choice. Just make sure you are applying it gentle. You apply it gentle on your knuckle part. Let your knuckle feel the love and all that. After that, you need to protect your hand from sun damage. You guys, it's like you are treating hyperpigmentation and you are not wearing sunscreen. It's like you're pouring water inside basket because you're not going to see any results. That's just the bitter truth. If you are treating hyperpigmentation, you guys, I left knuckles and I'm talking about hyperpigmentation now. If you are treating hyperpigmentation, you need to use sunscreen. Even if we are not, sunscreen is very, very important. That's the topic for another day. Like, you can check my channel, I've already talked about sunscreen. You need to protect your hand from sun damage. Yes, get a sunscreen. This is the one I use right now, Skin Aqua. I love this. You can get others. We have Dr. Raeyoh sunscreen, even though people did not like it. We have God, I don't even remember the name of this sunscreen, but there are a lot of sunscreen that you can use on your hand, on your body. You can even get a sun spray. Okay, that is very, very important. Use it when you apply every 2 hours. If you have dark knuckles and you want to see results, please protect your hand from sun damage. Sun damage is skin. Even if you are inside your house, use sunscreen. Okay, this is the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. I said you should stop if any product that you are using that is causing dark knuckles. After that, you can start using shea butter to stop your skin barrier from getting damaged. After that, you use body scrub to scrub your knuckle part, and as time goes, it is going to fade out. After that, you need to start using sunscreen on your hand. Okay, protect your hand from sun damage. Please get a hand cream. Hand cream is very, very important. Hand cream moisturize your hand. You guys, you might just be outside and you go to the toilet, you wash your hand. After that, your hand will get dry, so you need to have a hand cream in your bag. Hand cream is very, very important. You guys, hand cream will moisturize your hand. It also allow your hand to smell really, really good. So you need to get a hand cream. Hand cream is very, very important. If you have dark knuckles or not, you need to get a hand cream. Hand cream is not expensive. I think you can get the one of 1,500 naira, 2,000 naira. It depends on your location. So you need to get a hand cream. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me for more. See you guys in my next video. Bye.